Is it all good?
Yeah, I got a full.
Yeah, it's solid.
I got a full toolbox.
Alright, solid.
Alright, we're going to pick up Josh's first JZX 100. Are you excited?
First one in America. First one in America to have a JZX 100.
I mean, like, the same chassis you already. I sent you like half a year ago.
Yeah. Well, I think I'm the first one out of all of us to have a real Tourer V JZX 100.
Yeah.
And it's for sale if you guys want it.
Well, I didn't know when to tell you guys, but just bought Mark II. Wait, no, I bought Chaser too. Chaser JCX 100 turbo 5-speed and JZX 100 Mark II NA Auto. It'll be for sale soon, and it's 92 February. So
97, fool.
what did I say?
92.
97 February. I was thinking about February. 97 February, so it'll be only 4 months away. But in the JZX 100.
Yeah,
But I'm not even driving. I'll drive my 180.
Everyone has JZX 100 right now. Like,
All our race cars are hatchback.
yeah.
We all have 180s, we all have Chaser.
Which one's your favorite JZX 100 out of 3 brothers?
I like Cresta.
Mark II.
Mark II.
I like Cresta a lot.
Cresta's the oddball.
I like Cresta just because, as far as like chassis wise, I don't know. Like especially Kota having his, the whole like 20 mil difference in the roof.
Yeah,
I think that's like
20 mil difference in the
yeah,
roof.
dog. Diffu action, dog.
Cresta is taller roof. 20 mil.
So it's like
It's a luxury.
Yeah,
exactly.
and then the door, Chaser and Mark II, that there's no door frame on the top of the window.
Cresta got door frame.
I'll see you guys at the port.
This car is literally, we've been waiting forever. Also eligibility. Is that a word, eligibility? Yeah.
There's all these boats waiting in the line. All the containers. Gabe, it's cold.
It's pretty cold.
Alright, go get me my new car.
Okay, I'm gonna bring your new car out, okay?
Okay. Are you happy?
I'm hyped, but I'm not hyped how long I had to wait for them to come and help me start this thing up. I asked the truck driver to help me. Freaking, I was just waiting forever, bro. I had the car within the first 5 minutes. It's pretty clean though. Sick silencer.
Yo, tell me why Car Modify Wonder always does this, dog.
I hate it.
Even on the Severo, dog, I trimmed all this. All that.
Yeah.
To make it sit flush, but...
Still the fenders though.
Rolled, hell rolled.
They're perfect. Put some big wheels on.
Super foggy today, and all these containers just on the ocean waiting.
You guys gotta guide me, alright?
Yeah, send that.
Yeah, send it.
What happened?
Go back. Take it back. You're good, go back. You're good. There, stay right there, yeah.
He said, yeah, send it.
It's nothing happened. Here, let's just take it off. It's zip tied. It's only...
Easy peasy.
Daisy X100, so long. You're barely fitting. lunch break, food break, came to Kura
Real quick to do food right now.
Can't use that.
Kota don't care. Kota's like, what, you gonna cancel me? I'm Japanese.
I make fun of myself.
Kota's the best.
What are you guys ordering?
Hey, you know Kota, you notice he's more happy now, his car's all done in cherry.
Yeah. You notice how he hasn't even started this order? Because he's
Done.
just like, oh, my car's done.
It's my weekend. I was starting today.
Because I told Kota, I was like, yo, just get all your stuff done. Because I know how you feel more mental clarity. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get all your stuff done, then you're like, okay, now I can go work on other people's stuff because my stuff's done. For real. You guys look like Japanese tourists.
Oh yeah.
There's a bunch of options. So I think.
Yeah, I just had a $30 lunch.
$40 by yourself.
So expensive for what you have.
That would have cost you $10.
Never go out to eat, dog. We go out
Yeah.
to eat maybe like 6 times a week.
Back to paint store, buying supplies for Josh's Sora. So my front tire still have some tread left, but this side is dry and cracked. So I'm on my way to Andy's to get new tires. We're over here at Andy's Tires. I ordered GT radio. First time using it.
These are really bad.
And they sat in the sun for the past 6 months, so you dry. Thanks, Andy.
No, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Thanks, Drew.
Later, man. See ya.
I started working on the Sora body kits, fixed the fiberglass. There it was. I still gotta work on this piece. I'm going to drift event this weekend, so I gonna work on my 240. I gotta get it ready for this weekend.
Work on this other side first, can you? Please, because I only have that side of your car.
Fine. Butt next to each other.
That's the butt, dude.
Not the butt. I lowered the rear because last night I lowered the front a little bit, so I matched the rear and adjusted the traction control arm because wheel wasn't in the center and I got the alignment, but I'm changing the diff fluid before. I have welded diff in there, so I'm just using this cheap ass oil and using this hand soap pump. Finished changing the diff fluid. What else do I have to do?
Oh, you think this is sketch?
And Josh is just lowering the chaser. So my list here, check arms, I did that. Alignment, that's what I need to do. I moved the car to garage. About to do alignment. Total toe adjustment. 2 mil toe in. Leave it. Rear alignment was good. Toe in 2 mil, so I left it. Now I'm working on the front end, which I'm doing. One of the intercooler piping is kind of sketchy looking, so I bought a new one, and I'm installing a boost controller. I bought brand new Blitz electronic boost controller, so I'm installing that since I still have a manual like twist knob boost controller thing. It doesn't even control it, it spikes up so much. With the electronic one, it should be stable, way stable. What are you working over here?
Trying crazy car.
We about to go crazy, boys. Yeah, we really get crazy on crazy cars. This is a spare parts car. There's a racing machine over there. We go pretty ham. You know what I mean? We burn rubbers. Fresh rubbers.
Fresh.
Race ready. So right now I'm gonna install this coupler in one of my intercooler piping and SBC boost controller. Alright, this solenoid is mounted. I don't like this blue hose, but I don't have anything else, so one goes to actuator and one goes to piping. And this plugs into this component's gonna be under the dash. I just routed this to vacuum hose and sensor from solenoid over here. Alright, we routed the wires and got controller on the dash so I can reach and adjust.
Cool, man.
Alright, cool. Yeah, works. Everything back together. Me and Josh gonna go test drive and adjust the boost controller.
Test out this light. Sorry if it's super shaky.
I don't know the road.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
And then this thing is so bright.
Let's try to turn it off. You dragged your rear under panel. Oh my gosh. Let me make sure your freaking thing didn't come off. Hold on. Oh no! Not the fresh paint. Oh though. Let's see how long all this arrow lasts.
Couple years, I would say.
First test drive.
He didn't break.
It didn't break though. Oh, that thing's solid, dude. That thing held on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Go, no, go, keep going, keep going. You don't want to stay here. You don't want to stay here. At least pull over the hill.
How is my arrow still there?
I don't know. I don't know.
What just happened?
Nothing is dragging. It's either you lost everything or everything is on.
Oh my god, what did I just do?
Oh my god, Kota.